Musaisiano tukwatianie kwisila Facebook ta Mutongoi TV, YouTube ni Mutongoi TV /FM official. President William Ruto niwatavya ayumbe mayudie kana wende na wendi wa kuvinduuwa kwa katiba nikenda kuvetanga mwile ila President waile kwithiwa utongoini. Uneeni wa Ruto yuuka mivuthu itina wa muyumbe wa Fafi Salah Yukub kuumbula kana vena muvango wa nguthu ya ayumbe mayudie muvango wa kutoa mutalatala mbungeni wa kuvinduuwa katiba na kuvetanga mwile na kuikia kisi cha miaka 75 penina ndenge ena mauvo.
Musumbe Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni wamenda mbunge mekie kithito uthukumini wa mbungeni kwi enenthi na kutoesya milati yena uniko kwi mwenenthi ula wa masakuye na kumatuma mbungeni.
A member of parliament position is a very premium position. Don't squander it. As I told you before, make use of the floor of the house, make use of any other fora to make sure that you push the agenda of your political formation, you push the agenda for your constituents, you push the agenda for your government at every platform. You can wake up one morning and it is 5 years and you have not even cleared your throat in parliament. Bado hujasema anything.
Ruto wetie kika vindani kala itwaisya unena nyana ambunge mangwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza ofisine kwake kana State House kwa musine wa Ilovi wala wamenda mevathane na maondo matena lokwata ta kuvinduuwa Katiba kanthi ya Kenya na kuvetanga kavinda kala musumbi waile itha ofisine.
I will not ask anybody not to say whatever they want to say, but on matters changing the constitution, I want to tell you that the discussion on changing the constitution for parochial, selfish, personal matters is no space to go. As president, I will not participate in mutilating the constitution for purposes of serving selfish, personal, parochial interests. The same way we opposed BBI because it was meant to achieve selfish, parochial, personal interests. We will oppose any move to change the constitution. I will be at the front to say no to any change of the constitution, to change term limit, to change things that benefit individuals. Here, that is unnecessary.
Uyuka mithenya mivuthu itina wa mbunge wa UDA kuumbula ta vena muvango wa kuvetanga kilungu kila musumbi waile itha ofisini na kukwatwa mbao ni seneta wa Nandi Cherekai Samson ondola ni uvathukano na Katiba kanthi ya Kenya na kuwete wasiwasi kula kwi enenthi. Hingeni wamenda ambunge kuvitukithia miao ila ikutethia mwenenthi wa kawaida kana hasla kukwata utethio.
The product is going to be seamless. You will not need any paperwork. You will not need any committee. You do not need to know anybody. The product will be online, just like M-Pesa. I know many members here who are already arranging to form committees on how to disburse the Hustler Fund. I have seen messages on my phone, so mheshimiwa tuko tayari kabisa, tumepanga committee. Sorry, I will disappoint you. There will be no Hustler Fund committee. The amount of money available on that platform is from 500 shillings to 50,000. This is the initial, the personal loan. The next product for kyamas will start from 50,000 to 250,000. We have made it mandatory that as you borrow, there is a saving component. If you borrow 1,000 shillings, 50 shillings mandatory goes to your saving. For every amount you save, the government of Kenya is going to match it 2 to 1.
Vilingi wa mauvo penina ndenge.